This is Starlight J recording. Okay, this is my first subwoofer that I built, and this is part 2 of the inside of the cabinet. This cabinet is 5 feet wide, 4 feet tall, and 2 inches deep. Like I said in the last video, it's got 3 different size port tubes in the front of the cabinet, and then it's got a gaping, I believe it's 8 by almost 8 by 4 feet port in the back. I'm going to show you the ports of the cabinet on the bottom, since I have a light. Okay, I'm move the mic a little bit more so it picks my voice up. Now, here's one of the ports. That's okay. There's one of the ports. And then I have another port over here. And then you can see there's the third port. Well, they're actually about the same size, basically. And like I said, I can climb in here if it didn't have that center board. And it's built like a garage. Real heavily braced. And I'm going to move the lamp. And I'm going to show you the jack plate. There's the crossover, like it is in the other one. And there's the jack plate with the speak-on connectors on it. It's hard to see because of the angle. But I'm trying to do the best I can. I have to look at the TV. Okay, there's a better picture of the crossover network. And that's the jack plate. Now, I'm going to move the lamp on the upper part of the cabinet. So, get in the light, I have to set it up. Okay, there's the, gotta get it down on the floor. Okay, it's on the floor of the cabinet. Now I'm going to get the camera. Okay. Get a view of it. Okay. Here's what I did of the wiring of this cabinet. Make it act like I got thicker wire. I doubled the leads. I got 2 wires of 14 gauge wire put together. So it's like a 10 gauge wire or something like that. And the speaker you're looking at is a lowrider, black little speaker. And it's kind of hard. There's the speaker right there. There's the the magnet structure of the speaker, and that's a 4-ohm lowrider speaker made by Peavey Electronics, and those are 4-ohm speakers. And I got this same speaker on another cabinet, but it's only half the size. And see how I built the cabinet? That's the top. And you can see the double pair of wires going through the whole cabinet. And I use 2x3 bracing boards going all through the cabinet. But if you look on the bottom, I want to make sure the wire doesn't unplug from the camera. There's the lamp. See, I made another board like a subfloor right below the speaker to give it more upper bass as well as the low bass. See, that's the bottom of the well, it's actually the side of the cabinet that you're looking at. And there's the more or less the inside of the speaker. You can kind of see the spider a little bit, but the angle is so hard that try to get a. Now you can see part of the spider right there, and that speaker goes down to 25 hertz without a speaker cabinet, and it's 98 decibels just like the other subwoofer. And these speakers have replaceable baskets, so if you end up blowing the speakers, you can get a direct replacement. Like I said, I doubled the leads on the hot and the ground terminals, so it acts like I got thicker wire. And there's the air port, the port, you know, the air vent on the back of the speaker. And these speakers are loud. And now I want to show you the, I'm going to take the camera out of the cabinet, put it on the bottom, and I'm going to get the light, and I'm going to show you the big 4-inch, the gaping port that's in the back of the cabinet. Okay, there's the light. Okay. There's the gaping 8 by almost. The port is 8 inches wide, almost 4 feet long, and I don't have any issues of the speaker acting funny. So this speaker has 4 ports, counting the back one, and I use all 2x3 boards. It's real heavily braced, and all my speakers I use speak-on connectors, and these are the 40 amp value ones, and all my speakers got speak-on connectors on them. See, there's a speak-on connector, but I only use one because of the ohms of the speaker. See, that's the inside, the port chamber, and you can see I put a lot of heavy bracing in the cabinet, and then I just use regular PCV pipe that they use for plumbing to hold the port tubes in. Like, I could get one of those lighters that they use to light up a barbecue, and these speakers will blow out that lighter. I call it like a Portuguese air conditioner. That PCB pipe is, I wouldn't say it's an inch thick, but it's pretty close. And it's about 5 feet across or 6 feet across. 5 inches across. And the port's about, I think, in 3/4 long. And I'm going to show you the bottom again. Kind of give a glimpse. Yeah, also, I put casters on this so I can roll the speaker around. Eventually I have to put handles on these speakers because they're extremely heavy. And like I said on my past videos of these speakers, they go down to 7 hertz. The human ear cannot even hear. You likely hear down to 20 if you're lucky. But one time I was playing a Star Wars movie, and it had this scene where it looks like an old 1940s type plane, like a jet or something, but they used the sound effects of a prop, and when that plane landed, this whole floor, the couch, there was so much vibration, it made me jump out of my seat quick. That's how efficient these speakers are. And I'm gonna have a video posted what amps I drive these speakers with. A little more, couple more things about this cabinet. The center board that you see is bolted all the way from one side to the cabinet to the other side, all the way across, to help with the upper bass. And on this one, I got all the wires tied to the side of the cabinet. So that's my video, part 2 of my first sound woofer that I built. Talk to you later from Starlight G Recording.